Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video we are going to see the patch tool. So patch tool is used for pretty much similar to the spot healing brush tool and the healing brush tool. It is used for removing unwanted pixels from any image, but it is also used for copying pixels. So let us see one by one how it is used. So first of all, we have to make selection of the area which we don't want. So let's say I don't want this area of the bird, so I have to simply select this area, but it is not necessary to be precise with your selection. You can make a rough selection around the bird, in this case this bird, and I am selecting this first option, which is source, and keep the diffusion level to the maximum. So the maximum value is 7, so I am keeping it at 7. So I have to simply drag and drop, so this will remove the unwanted pixels. Simply select the area and drag and drop into the empty area. So this will copy this area from here over to the selection area. As you can see, I will undo this by pressing Ctrl Z or Command Z if you are using Mac. You can see the source area and the selection where I am putting it, the toning is bit different, but as I release the mouse button, it will blend into the background. This is because I have kept the diffusion level at maximum. But what happens if I keep the diffusion level at minimum? It is 1 now. I will release the mouse button. So as you can see, this hasn't blended in properly. This is because I have kept the diffusion level to the minimum. But if I keep this at maximum, this will blend well into the background, so that we cannot differentiate between the before and after effect that we have just applied. So we can simply remove the unwanted pixels, as I have removed plenty of unwanted pixels from this image. Again we can do some more, and we have selected this source option, so this will remove the unwanted pixels. So this was the original image and this is what we have done. So this was pretty seamless, but what happens if the background pixels are not similar? So if I select this bird, so in the background the pixels are not similar, they are different. So what if I place it over here? So as you can see, this has done a pretty good job, but this is not perfect. Because why? The background pixels were different. So it helps if the background pixels are similar, then it helps. So what is the second option then? The destiny. If we keep the option, or if you use the second option, which is destination, and I'll do the similar thing. I will select this area of the bird, but now I don't want to remove these pixels. Instead I want to copy those pixels. So what I have to do? Destination I have already selected. Simply drag and drop. So this will create a copy like this. So if you want to multiply any objects, then we can use this option, which is destination, like this, and it blends pretty well actually in the background. If I want these birds, two birds together, I can simply select these two birds together and I can, but we want that much of empty area in the image, otherwise it won't work. Ctrl D to deselect. So this is looking pretty good actually. This is the original image and this is what we have done. So as we have seen, patch tool is used for both works. Like it also it removes unwanted pixels, but it also copies the pixels that we want to be copied. So this is pretty simple to use actually. transparent and pattern options we can see in the future, because these options are there in the coming tools. So that's it for this video. I hope this video is useful for you. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, cheers.